Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Ranger fans? Today I will be reviewing the Power Rangers Lightning Collection of Rita and Lord Zedd sets of two, and it's in the 25th anniversary for them, and this is from the GameStop. Hey, what's up guys? So here we have the 25th anniversaries of Rita's and Lord Zedd packages, and here is the front side design package looks like. Here's the side of the Lord Zedd, and here's the back side of it, and here's the side of Rita's, and there's the front again. And here we have Lord Zedd and Rita packet from GameStop, and in the packet you'll get a Rita's magic wand and her wedding flowers that she's holding right there, and you also get a cake up there. And you also get a Lord Zedd's where he creates a crystal from Green Ranger's power right here. And here is the little of a magic potion that Rita's has created to make Lord Zedd to fall in love with her. And here it is, the potion. And the difference of the Lord Zedd stick is the Z's is opposite direction of it, as you can see, and the bottom is also opposites. As you can see, and so yeah, so there it is, the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers 25th anniversaries of Lord Zedd and Rita's. And subscribe if you haven't, and leave comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I almost forgot the packet from the regular Lord Zedd by itself, where Lord Zedd's left hand has silver paint on it right there. And from the GameStop packet from Lord Zedd, his left hand has a little more details on it, as you can see. There's more detailed silvers on it. So yeah, so there is a difference of the two Lord Zedds. This is the regular one, and this is from the GameStop designs packet, as you can see. So get one if you haven't, and subscribe if you haven't, and leave comments below. I'll see you in the next video.